We are here at the Naga Heritage Village, Kisama, where the 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival is going to start from day after tomorrow. That is the 1st of December till the culmination on the 10th of December 2024. Where we are standing is the Murung of the Tikir community, the Tikir Naga people, the newest and the freshest Naga tribe recognized in Nagaland by the government of Nagaland and government of India. As we come to the nearing of the Hornbill Festival, this 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival is going to be a most wonderful festival that we are going to commemorate. 25 years have come by and all the tribes of Nagaland are going to come in together, perform their cultural performances, arts, our ancient ways of life and our ancient way of merrymaking, together with the contemporary, more than 800 people, 1,000 people are going to participate in the music festival from all over the world, all over the country, and our local artists from Nagaland. We are having the country partners. Japan is coming in, our United Kingdom in the form of Wales, United States, Peru, and our state partners, Sikkim and Telangana. Likewise, we welcome you all to commemorate together with us the 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival. Come and resonate, see our way, work with us, and we are going to celebrate this 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival by God's grace and with all of your blessings.